So these are the onboarding steps to implement the tobacco scan data for Altria. Once you've signed up for tobacco scan data on your Clover device and you've navigated to this page by clicking on settings, you can click on initiate setup and obtain FTP credentials from Altria group. So this step is necessary in order for you to get onboarded for tobacco scan data on Altria site. And once they have done that, they will provide us with the FTP account name and the password, which we will then use to send data on your behalf. So to do this, you click on the start on the step 1, and doing so will open a survey which you need to fill out. There's going to be a total of 19 questions, some follow-up after you've entered these, after you've answered these 12. Some of the questions they're going to ask you specifically on your reporting capabilities is whether or not you wish to participate and have the technical capabilities to participate in multi-can discounts and also in a loyalty program. And it's entirely up to you. We have all the required technology to enable you to do both or either one of those programs. And it's all included in the package that you have subscribed for if you've already installed tobacco scan data with us. So it's just a matter of indicating to Altria whether or not you wish to participate in multi-pack and or the loyalty program. And once you do, they will basically expect that those discounts to come through after you've been put to production. The first step first fill out this form, and after you filled out this form, you can call this number here and request for the setup of tobacco scan data. The person you'll be talking to will tell you that you have to fill out the questionnaire, and you can tell them that you've already done so. And so following these 2 steps, we'll initiate the setup on the Altria side, after which they will send us your FTP credentials and the password which we can enter or you can enter here. And we also need your account number to be entered here. And then we can save this step and be done with it. The other step that's required is to complete product information setup. I've noticed that, for example, this particular account doesn't have any items set up. To do that, you can go to the Inventory++ app, which you can install as part of your tobacco scan data package. There's no additional cost in having this particular app installed if you if you have tobacco scan data with us. So here, find the items that are tobacco-related items and add the additional information. So let's just pretend for a minute that this right here is our tobacco product, right? So I'm going to select, let's say that these 3 right here are our tobacco products, some sort. So I can hit edit selected items, and this would let me edit all 3 items. So what we need entered is manufacturer's name, unit of measure, and individual consumable units. And also we need you to indicate that this is an Altria scan data program item. Okay, so 4 things. Indicate that it's an Altria item. Say, indicate its manufacturer's name, unit of measure, and individual consumable units. For individual consumable units, it goes like this. A pack is 1 consumable unit. A carton is 10 consumable units. And then pack, carton, pouch, bag, these are units of measure. Okay, Altria, Philip Morris, Marlboro, whatever the name of the manufacturer would go here, and then you would select the Altria. And so I'm going to cancel out of it because I don't want to do this for real. But basically, you have to go through your inventory and select the items that you wish for us to report on. And once you've done that, we would see the items that you've selected here, and then we would be able to validate them against the same rules that Altria validate against, and give you some guidance on what's missing or what's not missing. And once you have items selected with no errors being reported here, and you receive the FTP credentials from Altria, everything will just start reporting on a regular basis, on a weekly basis automatically. And after a few transmissions, one or several transmissions from Altria, they'll put you into production, after which you can start implementing the discounts, multi-pack, or the loyalty. So that's the process.